Hey guys, it's me, Mariah, and today I'm a little sick, but I'm also going to be showing you something. So, here it is. This is the James Charles palette. I've been wanting it for a really long time, and today I finally got it. So, let's get to it. Okay, so, let's see. Like that. Okay, it's bubble wrapped. This is cool. Alright, now for the real show and tell. Okay. So many colors. This is cool. This is actually really cool.